Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flush and Wrinkles makeup video, and we are going to be testing out the Colourpop Wild Nothing palette. This is an eyeshadow palette. Oh, there's no mirror, so I can hold it up. And we are just going to dive right in and enjoy this so much. I've already done my base, which is basically the TikTok method with my primer. My primer was the Tarte base tape. It'll all be listed below. And so we're moving on. I'm going to use the Catrice TrueSkin foundation. And my color is Warm Vanilla. I can't remember if this was great or not. I have so many foundations here. When I look over here, when I'm not trying a new one and I try to pick one, it's like, I don't know which one. Hopefully I liked them all that are still here. This is really yellow, huh? Oh well. It'll work. Well, we'll just pull it down the neck so that we're all yellow. I don't remember it being so yellow. So just take note. If you get the Warm Vanilla, it's pretty yellow. Oh, it's not bad now that I got it rubbed in a little bit. All right, I'm going to go in with the sponge. Now we're going to go in with the Pat McGrath concealer, and then we will do the other one next week, and I will not have so many things to do. And then we're just going to blend this out. Probably going to zoom through most of this part because we're not really testing any of this. And if you guys have been here for a while, you've definitely seen me do this part many times. So now I'm going to go in with my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores. I did see somebody said that on my last video, they told me to try the, I can't remember what it was. It was like Revlon or CoverGirl, because it was one that I don't use as much. A powder, and they said it was a dupe for this, so I will be trying that. And then we're gonna really quick go in and use my Bobbi Brown bronzer in Natural. And get some curves going again in my face. And then we're going to go in with our Dallas blush. Just put a little of that on. And then our Dandelion highlight from Benefit. These are both from Benefit. Oh, you know what? I always use my finger for this, and now I have these long fingernails from for Halloween, and I don't want to dig holes in my highlight, but I might. All right. Okay. That is that. So our face is pretty much done. We're going to use this new Benefit pin. The microfilling pin. Brow microfilling pen from Benefit, and this is in the color light brown. So we're going to do that real quick before we do our eyeshadow. So let's just see. It's this one. I know you guys aren't going to be able to see me using this because I can't get that close. If I get that close to you guys, I won't be able to see what I'm doing. So I'm just going to do it and then I'll show you. And I've seen an Instagram thing of one of these, not this pin, but you know, one of these kind. And it looked amazing. And so I'm not sure if they're not as amazing as they look or if it's just me and I just don't know how to do it. Because there's a good chance it's just me. Because I don't know, it just seems like it's too liquidy. And I can't see those little lines anymore. I don't know, maybe I'm supposed to outline it with something else and then do it? It always seems like it's not as dark up here. And then there's no lines. What do you think? I think all the lines are gone. I don't know. It just definitely doesn't look like it did on Instagram. So I'm thinking maybe there's a learning curve to it. And I'm not there yet. I'll keep practicing, and if I get better, I'll show you. Otherwise, I'm probably going to go back to my Cabral. Okay, so now for the eyeshadow. Hopefully it's a lot better hit with the eyeshadow. What color shall we use? I really want to do kind of a dark one. But this is not the right palette for dark, right? So let's go in and put this color right here. Gonna have to have glasses to read the colors to you. Okay, we're gonna put top down. I think that we're gonna go top down all over the lid, and then we're gonna go with Hot Springs right here as our crease color, as our transition color, and then our crease color we're gonna go with this, and then this one we're gonna put in the outer corner, and then we may put this beauty right here in the inner corner. I don't know. I'll tell you as we go. We're going to start off with this top down all over. I'll just put these up here so that if I have to read them again, because I'm sure I will forget. And we'll just put this all over the lid. Okay, that's it for the top down. And now we're going to go in with Hot Springs right here for our transition color. And it's got a little bit of sparkle to it, so maybe we shouldn't. Maybe we'll go in with Vagabond right here for our transition color. We will. It's very pretty. It's not super pigmented, but it's doing fine. It's not taking too much to work it in. Let's move on to the next color, and I'm going to get a different brush. Come Together. And that is this one right here. And I'm going to just deepen the crease up a little bit with this. Now when I deepen my crease, I have to pull it up onto this bone. Otherwise you won't even see it. I'm liking it so far. All right, and now we're gonna go in with our last color brush, but I'm just gonna grab some of this darkest color, which is called No Bounds. And it's a dark brown. And I'm just gonna put it in the V. Starting by packing it close to the lash line. And then pulling it up. That, just to give us some lift in that outer corner. Okay, now I'm gonna go back with that first brush that I put all over my lid and just blend those colors together a little bit. Just like that. Now, we're gonna go in with this really pretty color right here. Oh, this color is Sultan. Just for a little bit of sparkle. This would work way better with your finger. And there is some fallout, so if you do this, you might want to use liquid with it to make it stay better. So now we're gonna go in with our liner, and that's it for the palette. We're gonna use my gel liner, and we're gonna push line. To push line, you put your little finger on your lid and you push. And so your lash will kind of curl up around your finger, and then you just draw between the lashes. And then we go in with our flat brush. And from the top, you just blend it back and forth, just to make sure that it gets all spread out so there's no skin showing between your lashes. And in doing this, it also pulls it up a little bit, and so you have a smudgy, smoky liner line. Okay, now I'm going to go in with some mascara real quick. I'm going to use my Grande mascara, and I'm only going to do one coat because I'm going to go in and put lashes on. Okay, now I'm going to go back in with the palette, and I'm going to go and add a little bit of that Come Together, the one I put in my crease, this one right here, underneath. And then I'm going to go back in and put some mascara on the bottom, and then I'm going to go off camera and pop on some lashes. I need to pull this hair out. It just keeps getting in my face. Okay guys, I am back. Got my lashes on, and I put on this really pretty diamond plumper from Physicians Formula on my lips, and it is in the color Pink Radiant Cut. Okay, that's what it's called, Pink Radiant Cut. Anyways, that's what I have on my lips. So, as far as this palette goes, my review is it's a thumbs up, but that's what it is, a thumbs up, but these glittery ones I would definitely use I would use my finger, because I won't have these long ones on except for Halloween, and I would spray them. I would get it on your finger and spray it before putting any of these glittery ones on, because I have glitter, a lot of glitter on my face. And it's glitter, it's not from my highlight, because my highlight doesn't have these same kind of glitters. It's because it's a gold glitter that's in it. And I think it is beautiful. I think my eyes look great. But like I said, I would definitely use a spray with the glitters because they have fallout to them. Other than that, I definitely give it a thumbs up. I think it's so pretty, and the next time I use it, I will definitely use spray with it. But I think it's good. What do you guys think? I think it looks great. I think that they turned out really nice, and I think next time I'm going to use all mattes and try that too, because there's several mattes. There's only, well, there's some, like this one here and this one here, have just a tiny little bit of sparkle in them, but when I swatched them, I couldn't see the sparkle. So I don't know if they're gonna look like mattes or not. Anyways, I'm gonna try them again later. I don't know if I'll do them on camera. Maybe I will when I'm doing a foundation or something. We'll use this one again. When I find another foundation, they haven't had any new foundations that I've seen lately. It's like they had a ton of them for a long time, and now they don't seem to have as many. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave if you haven't already. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!